morning, y'all. Journey. What's the matter? What's the matter? You ate my black fish? There's a little pacifier. She is so cranky this morning. I'm cranky. I'm cranky. Here we go. Don't let it fall. Time to get my day started. Let the fun begin. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, pretty bird. Every morning I change out his paper in his cage and I give him natural Supreme. I used to feed him a lot. And he used to have a lot of poo. And I think I was overfeeding him, so now I only feed him 1/4 of his body weight, which birds really don't weigh that much. So he only gets a little bit. Good morning. Good morning, Mingo. Good morning. Good morning. The people want to see you. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What? This is what my day consists of. Baby cuteness. She just did the biggest burp. Yeah, just did the biggest burp and I missed it. Should have got on camera. It was so loud. Hi. Pretty girl. Now she has the hiccups. You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. Look at your bobblehead. She's doing pretty good with holding her head up. Kind of wobbly still, but she's doing good. She'll be 8 weeks on Sunday. There's really not much going on with today's vlog. I have no appointments to do today. So I'm kind of just lounging around the house, taking care of her. And she's really tired. She just had a bath and she's been having a cradle cat and right now I have to wash out the, well I won't wash it. I'll probably leave it in for a few more minutes before I wash it out, but she's been having issues with that and I'm trying to handle that. While she was asleep, I kind of combed it out. Oh. Tummy time. Tummy time. Look! Look at the bright colors. Ooh. Bless you. Hi. You want your little frog? You want your little pond frog? You're so cute. Now you're just being lazy, not holding your head up. Hold your head up, there you go. Work those muscles. Look how cute, you're in that pond. Yeah, holding your head up. Like a big girl. Yeah. And then she's knocked out finally. If you guys have a solution for cradle cap, please leave a comment below, because this is my second time washing her hair. Well, not washing it. I put baby oil in it, and I didn't wash it out this time. The first time I washed it out, and this time I'm leaving it in, and I scraped out all those little scales and stuff. But is there a better solution than just using baby oil and a comb? What did you guys do? What did you guys use? Let me know. But she's asleep. I'm going to go to bed now. Well, at least take a nap, even if it's only 20 minutes. Hi, Sissy. Hi, big Sissy. How was school? Good. You have a test today?
No. Yes, Spanish.
How do you think you did?
I got 100.
You know what you got already?
But she's not. They're like pre-tests, but she doesn't count it.
He's so jealous. Look at him. He's like, he took the toy.
Ew, get your stink breath away from me.
You just had his teeth brushed yesterday.
Really?
We watched him, yeah. I brushed his teeth with his toothbrush.
His breath still stinks. Oh, no, go. Oh, God, go. No.
Remember?
Well, I kind of have to put her like... Hey. Get a shot of my cut. Really?
Ugh. Nobody wants to see that.
Look my cut.
Right now we're making tacos. Tacos with the lettuce, tomato. We're making dinner now. Got Jasmine counting up the burritos, or tortillas in Spanish. So she had a test today. She got 100 on it, but the teacher said it won't count towards her grade. Well, at least she knows the material, right? And we got the baby still asleep. Moose is outside acting a nut because he sees the neighbors. Moose, what are you doing? Come on. I swear the dog has too much energy. I want to go check on my tomatoes outside. I think they're dead by now. Oh no, they're still actually surviving. It needs to be water though. My garden is looking rather lame right now. Got a lot of weeds growing on in there. I can tell you it's a lot to maintain a garden. You got, there was a mouse that's been eating. Oh, look at the little baby. There's a mouse that's been coming and eating up the tomatoes and stuff, but we're coming into winter season now, and I'm surprised they're actually even still growing. It's not really that hot out anymore. It's really cool out. Look at my yard, y'all. The neighbors came and cut my grass. It looks so good. Look at that. It looks great. And then I got this giant fig tree. There's actual fruit on here that I'm not even sure when to pick it. Ooh, there's a lot of bugs over there. Ugh. Gross. Trying not to step in no landmines, y'all. Ooh, no. See, look at that. I don't even. When do you pluck these? You been eating my tomato plants? You been eating my tomato plants? Nothing. Huh? I see a tomato right over there. You guys see that? There's one of my tomatoes right there. Right in the middle of the screen. That's a bad boy. Don't eat my tomatoes. Don't eat my tomatoes. I haven't gotten to eating one tomato off this plant yet. Not one. At all.